Hello everyone, today you're about to watch a complete 3-month renovation of an abandoned home, all condensed into this 12-minute video. And believe it or not, this entire house in the United States was purchased for just $5,000. Yeah, $5,000. Let's take a look at how it transformed from forgotten and neglected into something truly livable. The journey starts right here, with the massive task of removing all the trash inside. Every room had to be cleared out to make space for the upcoming upgrades. Old flooring was carefully pulled up because it no longer matched the new vision for the home. The walls were stripped down too, removing outdated materials and getting everything ready for a fresh, modern rebuild. Next, the ceiling was taken down. This step created a clean slate for future improvements, like better insulation, new lighting, and a stronger structure. It's messy work, but it's an essential part of turning an abandoned space into a safe and functional home. With everything gutted, it was time to rebuild the base. Damaged flooring was removed and replaced with OSB boards, cut precisely to fit, secure, and offer long-term stability. These boards create a strong foundation for the rooms that will eventually be transformed. Bleach was then used throughout the house, floors, walls, corners, to remove dirt, grime, and stains that had built up over years. This step not only cleans the space, but also kills harmful bacteria and odors, making sure the home is hygienic and ready for the next stages of work. After cleaning, the team upgraded the essentials: new wiring for safer electrical systems and a gas water heater to ensure reliable hot water throughout the home. Gutters were also installed along the roofline to redirect rainwater away from the foundation, a small detail that prevents huge problems later. Under the flooring, a reinforced base was built to boost structural stability even further. Now here's where the home really begins to take shape. Drywall goes up on the walls and ceiling, giving everything a clean, modern look. High-quality materials were used to ensure strong, lasting results. And of course, safety was the #1 priority. Every cut, every measurement, every installation was handled by skilled workers, making sure everything was done right. Once the drywall was up, the mudding process started. This step smooths out the seams, covers imperfections, and gets the walls ready for paint. Primer was applied, especially in the basement, to seal stains and prepare every surface for a perfect finish. Now it's time to make everything beautiful. A fresh coat of paint adds warmth and character to each room. The floors are transformed with natural wood textures, durable, timeless, and easy to maintain. And installing baseboards completes the clean, professional finish that ties the room together. In the bathroom, everything starts with prepping the surface, cleaning, leveling, and drying the floor. Tiles are laid out carefully for perfect alignment. The vanity and basin are installed securely, and the toilet is fitted with proper plumbing. The result is a fresh, functional bathroom built to last. Tiles continue throughout the home, improving durability and style. New windows and a sleek entrance door boost both security and curb appeal. Custom cabinets are built for the kitchen and living areas, improving storage and giving every room a more organized, modern flow. The basement floor gets a deep cleaning. Outside, a wooden fence is built to add privacy and define the yard. The backyard is cleared and organized, creating a clean, inviting outdoor space. And with the renovation complete, the transformation speaks for itself. Clean walls, beautiful flooring, energy-efficient lighting, and thoughtful design choices have turned this $5,000 abandoned home into a functional, inviting space. For more behind-the-scenes details from this project, make sure to subscribe to the Vitalii Korytan YouTube channel.